everyone, welcome. My name is Sushma Singh. I'm an author, transformation life coach and founder of Dream Design Your Life. So today I am going to talk about why it's important to have struggles in your life. Okay, so what if I ask you a question that if you get everything, imagine that you get everything in your life without working for it, without any hardship, without any struggle, without any challenges, how would that be? And I'm sure a lot of you would be like, wow, that would be great. But friends, don't you think if we get everything in our life very easily, it is going to make us weak? Because it's our challenges that makes us, evolve as a person, that strengthen us. It's a hardship that, brings patience and compassion and, strength from inside. Because you cannot get strength without resistance. So hardship is something, the struggles and challenges of our life are something very important. Because, life is not going to be, same, working on the same plane. There will be hard times, there will be good times. But when the times are hard and since you have not faced any hardship, then it is going to be very, very difficult for you to battle all those challenges. So struggling is something very important for our own evolution. I'm very sure a lot of you would have heard of, evolution of caterpillar story. Caterpillar has to really work hard to break or to come out of that cocoon. And if somebody tries to help it or somebody tries to, help it by breaking that cocoon, then that butterfly, it dies. Why? Because that struggle was important for its survival. So in the same way, for we human beings also, struggle is something very important for our own survival. See, we have always heard of stories where people have worked really hard to achieve something great in their life, and we feel good, hearing to these stories. We don't, feel happy about those stories where somebody was given everything, right? See, Rumi, he says that pain is the place from where God's light enters you. See, this is so amazing. Pain is something that is inevitable, and as a human being, I think we all must experience these things in our life, because ultimately they are going to make us, who we are going to become as a person. And Rumi, he also says that struggle is important because, he says that if you will get irritated by every rough, then how you will ever get polished. So if you want to achieve experience life and achieve good or success in your life, feel life or live a meaningful life, then you have to embrace these pain. You have to embrace these struggles, challenges that are in your life, because obstacle is the way. This is a Zen proverb who says that obstacle is the way. So life is full of struggles. Embrace it, work through it. There is no point whining, complaining about it. Just accept it and then move ahead in your life. By the end of it, what you will become is going to be something you are going to feel proud of. So thank you so much for listening. I hope it has added some value. It has given some insight into your life. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hi. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm sure you liked it. And if you are looking for life coaching solution for your personal and professional growth, then you can call me on 93199 37820. I coach people on one-on-one basis and in group coaching environment. So whatever that suits you, I'll be happy to help you. So see you in the session. Bye-bye.